So then we have to think, oh, this Anukulina Sankalpa particularly is this favorable for my seva? Is it isn't Guru Toshan? Yasya prasada Bhagavat prasado Yasya prasada Nagati Katopi. Dayam stuvams. Tri Sandhyam. What Tri Sandhyam? Sub Sandhyam. We say Radharani Age, Radharani Piche, Radharani Baya, Radharani Daya, Radharani Bita, Radharani Upar, Radharani Niche, no, Radharani Upar. Everywhere, Sub Dishan, Radharani. Same with Krishna. Krishna Surya Sama. Krishna is a son. Guru Surya Sama. Bhagavat is also a son. Puran Arko Danoditaha. Krishna Swadamo Pagate Dharma Gyanali Visaha. Kalodri Shamna. Anyway, blind. Yeah. Then Puran Arko Danoditaha. What does this mean? Puran Arko Danodita. Have you ever been to Jagannath Puri? You ever heard of Mahaprabhu Leela? Did you ever hear of Konark? What is Konark?
It is a sun temple.
What is Konark? Hello? Anyone? You don't know? There's a very big temple on the ocean, 45 minutes from Jagannath Puri, north towards Calcutta. 45, maybe 1 hour. It's called Konark. Ark means sun. There's Arka flower. There's Ark. So, Puran Arko, Dunodita, Udit, Deepavali. Now what does it mean? Krishne Swada Mo Pagate Dharma Ginadi Visa. Krishne Svada Mo Upagate Agaman Gamana. It's the same as Hindi. Upagate means Upagamana. He's got up. Krishne Svada Mo Pagate. Right? First canto Bhagavatam. Sages are saying, what happened? What happened? Krishna disappeared, as he would say. Krishna appeared, now he disappeared. They didn't say that. So now that Krishna is not, his lila is not prakat, he is left. So all the sages and the Mishranya, they're asking Sutadev, Sutta Goswami, where we find Krishna? And then he said, oh, you don't know. Krishne Svada Mo Pagate Dharma Gyan Adi Saha. Dharma Gyan Adi Saha. Krishna, he is Swadam, means my house, my place, Brajadam. Krishna has gone to Braj. Yeah, we know that. That's why we're asking you what to do now. He's not here. Yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyutanam dharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. Who will do that? Arjun's gone, Pandava's gone, Yadava's gone, everybody's gone. He said, he's gone, and they said he went and he took everything with him. He took knowledge. Gyan, Vigyan, Adi, everything. That's everything. He says, Gyan, Adi, everything begins with knowledge. Gyan, Adi, right? Beginning. There's no knowledge, you're nasht. Jiva nasht. Bina vidya.